Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's Mark. Well, I'll tell you what, we're going to talk about my hand. I'm sure you guys want to know what happened. Well, I'm going to show you the video of it right now. This is how it happened, and then we'll talk about the aftermath. All right? I'm sure the thumbnail speaks volumes, but here you go. Check it out. Ow, mother! Ow, ow, ow! Ah!
What do you need?
Let's just hold on.
See the hook? In him? Yep. Go ahead and grab it. Easy, easy, easy. Go fucker. Oh, no, they were down.
I got a hook in my hand.
I know.
All the way.
Yeah, it's buried.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's get a hook out of my hand. I mean, we got two. One's buried, one's not. It's gonna hurt, you guys. This is a good one. It's super important to have a first aid kit on your friggin' boat and a pair of underwear. Always have a pair of skivvies. We're all set here. The only thing I'm not ready for is pulling this shit out of my hand. Yeah, I do. Right here. Antiseptic wipe. We're gonna get that ready. I mean, who knows what's in these fucking lakes? People get crazy infections all the time in lakes. So you gotta be ready. You gotta be clean. You gotta be composed. This might be the worst one, you guys. The one in my leg was pretty bad. But we're gonna get her out. I got an alcohol prep pad too. Band-aid. Okay, here we go. This one's by far the worst.
It's buried.
I can't move it. Let's do this. So, 1, 2. I'm not dying. Merely a flesh wound. Fucking classic. You ever had one in you like that, Phil?
Not that bad.
Bad that I can't feel it anymore?
No, it's really good, but
I got. It hurts. I tried getting it out. I did. I couldn't do it. I couldn't move it. You want to try again?
No, I want to get you to the doctor.
I was thinking about taking it cutting the barb off and pushing it through the other way. It hurts, okay?
Yeah, so let's go and get you some pain meds. And
I don't need any pain meds. I just need. I'll be all right.
We'll just cut your whole arm off. How's that? Just at the shoulder.
It'll be fine.
He's not in a joking mood.
no.
You have your medical card?
Yeah. Okay, so that happened. You can tell that it was a little bit different deal than the previous hooks that I'd had in me, and this one wasn't coming out. I'd put some serious pressure on it, and I could not get it to move. I do have a vein that runs in this area. You can see it. I was like, God, I don't want to screw this up. I made the decision to text Baby T and tell her I'm coming in hot, and I'm hurt. We need to go. So she was prepared when I got home to go. Phil pulled me out. I still had the trailer of the boat, you guys, with this in my hand. Did you see all that? I didn't have to, I just did. I don't know, it's automatic. Again, when stuff like this happens, you have to be composed, because it could be a while before you get to medical attention or get it out or whatever. So you can't just be dancing around freaking out, or things are going to go more poorly. So I drank a couple Yinglings fairly quick, and then we headed to the urgent care. And I'll tell you what, you guys saw the first 50 minutes. So if you didn't see it, there's a live video of it. It was kind of a nightmare. They did lose the hook in my hand after they cut it off the barb, or they cut the one of 3 treble hooks off, and then it floated, and it became a little bit of an issue. Here's a picture of the x-ray. Right here, you can see the hook. It was over here, and they pushed it. So they put a marker on it. It took about 20 minutes to find it after we did the x-ray, and got it out and stitched me up. I think I got 4 stitches or something. But that was last Tuesday. That was a week ago today. Since then, I fished a tournament with Drake. We'll get into that later. That'll be a different video. And then I fished yesterday out here and caught all kinds of fish. But yeah, it still hurts. I mean, shit, it's in a spot that's always moving. So, you know, anytime you have that, it's not comfortable. And like I said, I won't take anything for it. So there you go. Anyway, I mean, the focus, I guess, here is to always, again, be prepared to make decisions, be prepared in case something happens. I did have my medical kit. You saw that. It just didn't matter. I wasn't going to be able to do anything with it. So we got out of there. Anyway, I want to thank you guys, for reaching out and all your thoughts and, you know, well wishes on that. I appreciate it very much. But we're fine. We're back at it, and I'll see you guys real soon. Take it easy, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.